Here's a tier 5 up against a poison. It's not a good gun to use in this tour. Tier. If it was max, then yeah.
One shot kill.
I think max does 1,000 damage. But if you're gonna use that gun, then have good bullets. The Duke is 1,000 damage, and I have Adam, extra 10%.
One shot kill.
So I couldn't get a clear shot at this. So I killed the dingo in front of it first.
One shot kill.
But I didn't really have a good shot on it. Tiers 1 to 5, they're like all the same. It's the same thing.
One shot kill.
I think just in this one, and maybe tier 4, you start getting the albino crocodile and the golden tengu thing. That's like the only difference. But like your opponents, they all use basically the same guns. It's not too bad. Oh fuck, I'll try to cancel.
One shot kill.
Oh well.
One shot kill.
Sorry if you could hear that car alarm.
One shot kill.
Nice. Here's the golden. Yeah, good shots.
One shot kill.
If I one-shot this, you guys owe me 10 million doll hairs. Oh, that was so bad. Fuck. But tier 6 is when you get the kangaroos. I know you get other stuff. I think there's a badge here. No, badger's here. It's a, let's see, a Wolverine? I don't fucking know. I just know there's kangaroos. And I've been lagging to get there. I'm not even halfway done, and there's like 12 days left. The fuck, bro? You know what? I was shooting like if I had the extra penetration. But I switched to Adam rounds. It's alright. Still get the dub. Ooh, nice. I love the shot of the perfect kill. Or the when it hits the heart or the head.
One shot kill.
Sounds beautiful. I wish when I got text messages, that sound played.
One shot kill.
I'm trying to get at least one.
Perfect kill.
Ooh, beautiful.
One shot kill.
And there you have it. Here's the comment from the last video. I buy Fury balls all the time. I don't know why this made me laugh so much, dude. I know he meant Fury rounds. I'm assuming he meant rounds or bullets, but dude, when I saw it, I was freaking cracking up. Shout out to Le Lavward. I can't say that. I'm sorry.